Ever wonder what currency Tide uses to wash away the competition? Ever stared at a giant container ship gliding majestically across the ocean and wondered, what's in there? Well, chances are, a big chunk of that might be filled with detergent. Supplying the world with cleaning power is a massive logistical feat, and Tide, a brand synonymous with squeaky clean clothes, is a major player in this global game. But have you ever stopped to think, with Tide being sold in so many countries, what currency do they actually use to run this global operation? Is it a single, universal currency, or a complex mix depending on the region? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of international business and finance to uncover the answer to this seemingly simple question: what currency does Tide's business use? So, buckle up and get ready for a whirlwind tour of global trade, multinational corporations, and the intricate dance of currencies on the world stage. Now, you might think the answer is obvious. It's a massive American company, so surely they just use US dollars, right? Well, the reality is a bit more nuanced. Here's why. Tide, along with many other household brands, is owned by Procter & Gamble, P&G, a behemoth consumer goods company. P&G operates in over 180 countries and territories, making it a truly global entity. For a company this size, relying solely on US dollars would be incredibly inefficient. Imagine the constant currency conversions needed just to pay employees in different countries. Fluctuations in exchange rates could wreak havoc on their bottom line. So, what do they do instead? The answer lies in a concept called functional currency. This basically means that different parts of P&G, operating in different regions, might use different currencies for their day-to-day operations. For instance, the Tide factory in China might use Chinese yuan to pay its workers and buy raw materials, while the marketing team in Germany might use euros. This allows them to avoid the constant conversion costs and minimize the risks associated with exchange rate fluctuations. But that's not the whole story. There's another layer of complexity. P&G, like many multinationals, likely engages in a practice called centralized treasury management. This means they have a central financial department that manages the company's overall cash flow. This department might use a specific currency, often a major global currency like the US dollar or the euro, for things like intercompany loans, dividend payments, and international transactions. So, while Tide factories around the world might use their local currencies, P&G's central treasury might consolidate and manage these funds in a single, major currency for better financial control and risk management. Now, this is just a general explanation, and the exact details of how P&G handles its currency operations are likely complex and confidential. But it gives you a good idea of the intricate dance of currencies that multinational corporations like P&G have to perform. Here's a quick recap. Tide factories likely use local currencies for day-to-day operations. P&G might use a centralized treasury system with a major global currency for overall financial management. There you have it. The answer to what currency Tide uses isn't a simple one. It's a combination of local currencies for operational efficiency and a centralized, major global currency for financial control. This complex system allows P&G, and by extension Tide, to navigate the ever-changing world of international finance and keep those washing machines humming around the globe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious about the hidden workings of the world around you.